I went and did another online order. This is shipped to home. I don't ever mess with online orders to pick up at the store. It just never works out for me. And I did want to make sure I pointed out that you have to get over $35 after the discounts come off to get free shipping. So because of that, I did have to add some more products to my transaction because I didn't want to pay for shipping. I didn't have any promo codes or anything like that. Once again, promo codes are still not working. I have one that I tried again, but it's just not working. So here's everything I picked up. I picked up a beetroot powder, a lion's mane mushroom supplement, and 2 of the hydrolytes. And here's the breakdown. My subtotal was $59.48. Free shipping because after the discounts it was over $35. And then the discounts took off $19.99. My tax was only $1.66. My bonus cash was applied. I only had to pay the tax, which I just used my PayPal account for. That's where all my redemption money goes into from like Ibotta and things like that. So I just used that account to make any purchases for my coupon shopping. I checked out and received $51, $20 from the Nature's Truth, $15 from the booster, $8 twice from the Hydrolyte. So that's how I got $51. I also received 595 points, which is equivalent to $1.14 once converted to bonus cash. Also, I received $2 back from Top Cash Back for ordering through their website. So in the end, it makes all of these items a $13 moneymaker. To clarify, the free items for the Nature's Truth, they do count towards your spend total. The only reason why I went a little bit over was because I did not want to pay for shipping, and the discount does drop your total for the shipping, and that's the reason why I went over. So if you don't mind paying for shipping, then you definitely don't have to go over very far. In order for that, spend $50, get $15 back in bonus cash to apply. So really great deal if you want to roll bonus cash, especially if you have some expiring soon and you don't want to lose it. This is awesome because you spend a little bit of what you have and you gain it all back plus some. I know this was all a little bit fast. This is more for advanced shoppers who kind of already know. But if you want more in-depth detail, I do have a longer form video that I previously uploaded right before this one. I don't mind answering any questions, but please reference the other video and the comment box just in case the answer to your question is there first. It's hard for me to get to all of the comments, so I would appreciate it if you check that out first just in case your question was already answered there. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up for me, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.